Hey there, it's Andrew Monaghan with the Monaghan Group at Real Brokerage. Today we're going to be answering a question that a number of you have asked, is like, what sort of upgrades add value to your home? Not all upgrades are created equally when you're selling your home. Some of them are very, very simple, which we're going to go through in a few moments, and some of them I would suggest saving for your new home. The first thing you can actually do is, if you have the availability and the opportunity to do it, add some living space. Convert a garage, or convert some other non-livable space into livable square footage. This really does add value to your home. Second one, and this is the most important, your house is either bought or pretty well missed by curb appeal. So do whatever you can to fix up the front of the property, paint, landscaping, trim back any overgrown bushes and so on and so forth. The simple things that make the biggest difference for when somebody is getting out of the car to walk to your front door, to take it from being your home to their new home. Another way to increase value is to upgrade your backyard, the living space that you're going to have in there, cleaning up the landscaping, adding some flowers. If there's something that you can do that can clean it up, power washing, a little bit of paint goes a long way, so that the buyer, when he's walking in, can actually walk into the backyard and she can see herself living there. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments in regards to today's topic, just send me a message in the information below. I'll be happy to answer you.